Imagine a land so vast it could swallow whole continents. This immense sleeping giant is Siberia. Stretching from the Ural Mountains to the Pacific Ocean, this colossal region makes up nearly a tenth of our planet's landmass. It's a domain of sprawling taiga forests, desolate tundra, and towering mountain ranges. The name Siberia often conjures images of icy, unforgiving forests. While this is part of its identity, it's a misleadingly simple picture. Beyond the frost, Siberia is a world of staggering diversity, from sun-drenched summer meadows to the ancient, crystal-clear waters of Lake Baikal. Its southern borders brush against Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and China, while its northern coastline is claimed by the icy Arctic Ocean. For millennia, this challenging environment has been home to resilient indigenous peoples. But the discovery of vast resources in recent decades has brought rapid change. Still, much of Siberia remains one of the Earth's last great wildernesses, a final frontier of untouched nature. In our era of climate change, Siberia's role is more critical than ever. Its frozen ground and huge forests are not just remote features. They are key regulators of the global climate, and their fate affects us all. Siberia's geography story is a dramatic tale, written across immense plains, towering mountains, and mighty rivers. The West Siberian Plain is one of the largest flat areas on Earth. It's a land of stark contrasts, a sprawling paradise for marshes and migrating birds in the brief summer, and a vast, featureless desert of ice and snow in the long winter. To the east are plateaus, and to the south mountains like the Altai, Verkhoyansk, and Chersky form natural walls, separating Siberia from warmer southern climates and defining its character. From here flow Siberia's life-giving rivers, the Ob, Yenisei, Lena, which flow north to the Arctic Ocean. For most of the year they are frozen solid, but when the ice melts in spring, colossal jams cause the vast plains to flood, and hidden to the south is the jewel of Siberia, Lake Baikal, the world's deepest, oldest lake. It holds an astonishing 1/5 of the planet's unfrozen fresh water and is home to countless unique species like the iconic Baikal seal. All of this together makes Siberia a unique, mysterious land of unparalleled scale and beauty. In the heart of Siberia lies the taiga, the Earth's largest forest. Conifer trees stretch for thousands of kilometers, with deep peace and fresh air, and life adapted to icy winters. The pines here, firs, and especially larch trees survive even the harsh weather. In the taiga live Siberian tigers, bears, wolves, and small, furry animals. All have adapted themselves to this tough environment. In summer, this forest echoes with migrating birds, while the rest of the time, deep silence reigns. Every plant and animal in the taiga is a link in this vast ecosystem, a testament to the lasting power of Earth's great forests. North of the taiga is the tundra, an open, treeless plain where only moss, lichen, and dwarf shrubs survive. Beneath the soil here is permafrost, which creates a network of lakes and marshes on the surface in summer. In the short summer season, millions of migratory birds come here to breed, and reindeer herds graze in the tundra. Animals like Arctic foxes and lemmings find life even in this harshness. Strange stone shapes form on the surface. The ground here is always changing. The tundra is a fragile but resilient ecosystem, a symbol of life's will to survive at the very edge of the world. Hidden beneath the taiga and tundra is Siberia's permafrost, a layer of soil and ice frozen for thousands of years. It holds the remains of Ice Age creatures and a huge amount of carbon. But now, due to climate change, this permafrost is starting to melt. This causes the ground to sink, lakes to disappear, and buildings to become unstable. The biggest danger is the greenhouse gases released from the melting permafrost, which can speed up global warming even more. This is a dangerous cycle. As permafrost melts, the climate crisis deepens. Siberia's sleeping giant is now waking up, and its effects could be felt all over the world. Siberia isn't just a vast, cold place on a map. It's a living, breathing world of almost incomprehensible scale and variety. A realm where nature operates on an epic canvas, constantly changing with the seasons. From the endless grassy plains of the steppes to the towering Ural and Altai mountains. Mighty rivers carve through the land, feeding ancient crystal-clear lakes. The immense taiga forest, the largest on Earth, eventually gives way to the stark Arctic tundra. Here, life has adapted in remarkable ways. Each species showcases incredible resilience against some of the planet's toughest conditions. But now, this great wilderness stands at a critical crossroads. The rapidly melting permafrost is not just a local crisis, it's a ticking time bomb for the planet, threatening to release vast amounts of trapped greenhouse gases. Siberia's future is therefore inextricably tied to the future of the entire Earth. Its vastness, mystery, and raw beauty remind us of the profound complexity and delicate fragility of our planet. Siberia's true wealth isn't on its surface, but deep beneath its perpetually frozen ground. This thick layer of permafrost acts like a natural vault. Here are some of the world's largest reserves of petroleum and natural gas, which meet a large part of the global energy demand. Besides this, there are also vast reserves of coal, iron, copper, gold, and almost half of the world's palladium and nickel. These precious minerals and energy sources extracted from here power industries around the world and shape our modern lives. For example, the nickel here is essential for stainless steel and electric vehicle batteries, while copper powers our electronic gadgets. Extracting this treasure is no easy task. Engineers and laborers here work even in temperatures of 50 degrees below zero, thanks to their courage and modern technology. And it doesn't end there. Some of the world's largest and most valuable diamonds also come from Siberia, known for their unmatched quality. These are extracted from giant crater-like mines that can even be seen from space. Special machines and methods are used for mining in this harsh environment, which is a testament to human perseverance and invention. The story of Siberia teaches us that the greatest treasure is often hidden in the most difficult places. This vast icy region is not just a pillar of energy security and industrial progress for Russia, but for the entire world. Now meet the real residents of Siberia, the wild animals here. The most famous is the Siberian tiger, the world's largest cat, which hunts in the icy forests. Brown and polar bears live here. Wolves, foxes, and reindeer too, who have adapted themselves to this cold. The unique omul fish is found in Lake Baikal, and sturgeon in the rivers here, from which expensive caviar is made. In summer, millions of migratory birds come here: cranes, swans, ducks, and birds of prey. Siberia's taiga forest is home to owls and woodpeckers. All this teaches us that life can thrive even in the toughest conditions. In this vast and icy region, humans have lived in Siberia for centuries. They have learned to live and thrive in this harsh environment, which is an example in itself. Many indigenous tribes like the Nenets, Yakuts, and Evenks live here. Many of these tribes are nomadic, raising reindeer. These animals are central to their lives, providing them with food, clothing, and transportation. Their lifestyle is based on a deep harmony with nature. They take only what they need from the earth. This traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, helps them face this harsh weather. The people here are skilled hunters, fishermen, and excellent artisans. Their art and stories are deeply connected to nature, keeping their culture alive. The Russian and indigenous women here are also exceptionally hardworking and strong. They manage their households and keep traditional crafts alive. Today, Siberia is a unique blend of modernity and tradition. Cities have malls, while remote villages maintain centuries-old lifestyles. Storing food for winter and wearing warm fur clothing is part of their preparation. The people here face every challenge as a community with a smile. The people of Siberia teach us that true strength is not physical, but mental and communal. Why is Siberia so special after all? It's the lungs of the earth. Its taiga forests release large amounts of oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. The animals here, plants, and people teach us lessons of adaptation and willpower. Siberia's minerals and energy resources are crucial for the future, but we must extract them responsibly. The northern lights here, vast rivers, deep lakes, and untouched forests, are examples of Earth's diversity and beauty. Learning about Siberia is not just about geography, but about understanding nature's greatest wonders. This place makes us humble and makes us realize how amazing and vast our Earth is.